Hey guys, today I'm making a video on how I pack minimally for traveling overseas. So let's get started. So I'll start with my two smaller bags just because sometimes I pack these inside of my bigger bag and otherwise I travel with it just on my side because it's a little easier and I don't like this bag getting too bulky. So let's start with my purse. In my purse I just have my little wallet with like all my debit cards and my ID, and then I always carry a cord with me just so that my iPhone won't die because it's very handy, and most airplanes nowadays have USB chargers, so it's just really nice to be able to carry that in my purse and charge my devices whenever I need. For some reason I have a spoon. I bring some sunnies just because it's important to protect your eyes while traveling. And then I have another scrunchie just so I can put my hair up when I need to. And then earphones so while traveling I can listen to music or watch any movies that I'd like to watch. Next is my camera bag, and this has my DSLR camera body with my prime lens on it, so I use this to get any travel pictures of me and my partner Jason. And then I have a wider angle lens which is better for landscape and getting those tighter pictures in more cramped spaces. And then I have quite a few different SD cards in here, a few extra batteries, the charger, a cleaning wipe, and that's about it. I just find bringing my camera super essential for me. Some people nowadays travel and just take pictures on their iPhone, which is epic, but I just feel a lot more comfortable with the controls that I have with my DSLR. So yeah. And then I also bring a sarong, which I can either pack in my big bag, or more often than not I bring this kind of as a blanket for the flight, just because this is the outfit that I'm wearing on the flight and it does get chilly on flights, so that's why I wear that when I'm traveling. But now we can start with my bigger bag, and I'll just work my way through the zippers just because this bag has quite a few zippers going on. So the front zipper has this pretty deep space right here, and then this little pocket, mesh pocket, which is where I keep all of my electronics, and then my passport, which you need to pack this. With my electronics I bring another cord to charge, and then you want to make sure that you bring a few of these depending on what country you're going to, just so that you can actually charge your items. And then I normally pack my toiletries and supplements on top, but just because when I'm traveling sometimes I want to brush my teeth and whatnot, so I have some shampoo, face wash, moisturizer, and then I'll have my toothbrush and toothpaste in here. And I just prefer having my stuff in a bag like this just in case anything explodes while up in altitude. And then the next thing is all of my supplements. This looks super bulky, which it kind of is, and it's a little bit of a pain, but it's 100% essential for me. I just feel a lot better and in tune with my body when I'm taking these supplements. The next bulky thing that I have is my GoPro dome, and then my GoPro's in there as well. I have like a little cover for it so it doesn't get scratched. It's a bummer that I can't take it apart and make it more compact, but it's really awesome to capture those half underwater, half below water pictures, and it's just really nice to have a waterproof camera which is pretty versatile and again captures some pretty wide angle stuff. So that's super awesome if we're doing some outdoorsy excursions. And so let's start on the clothes now. I am a girl, so you know, sometimes I get a little crazy with packing, but I think that I've definitely minimized what I bring nowadays. So I have a few tops, and these tops match with pretty much every bottom that I pack, just so I can kind of make a few outfits out of just a few pieces, which is super nice. These are little tank tops and they're nice and fitted ones. I love the fabric. And then I have 2 different tie tops and these match with the skirts that I have. I love them so much. They're a little more dressy, but you can still wear them and feel pretty comfortable being active, which is definitely important. Bringing things that are versatile is really important to me, at least. And then out of the bottoms that I have 3 different bottoms. I have a pair of super comfy tie front shorts and then 2 cute tie up skirts. And again, I think it's pretty important to just pack one thing where you feel comfortable getting a little dressed up, because sometimes you have those evenings and I think it's important to, you know, feel good. So I have this one dress, and again, everything just folds up really easy and nice and compact. All of this stuff is really lightweight, so I think that makes it really easy for me. And then I also always bring this romper. This romper is my absolute most favorite thing ever. It's just so comfortable. I can wear it if I'm being active, and I feel like I can wear this and dress it up a bit, which is super nice. So that's definitely like one of my go-to items. And then on the bottom I have all of my active wear. So I have 1 pair of leggings and then a pair of shorts and a tank top, just because while I travel, my partner and I like to work out, and I think it's pretty important to have some comfortable clothes for moving around. And then I have this tiny little pocket within the deeper zipper space, and with this I have a hat, just because, you know, it gets hot and I think it's good to be protected from the sun. Anyway, and then I bring two different bikinis, just because I'm going to Thailand, and on this trip I think most of the apartments that we're staying at will have pools, and then at the end of our trip for the last week or so will be coastal, and I think it's really important to have some nice togs. And then the rest of the stuff in here are undies and socks. That's my packing list for traveling overseas, and since I've been packing this way, I find it's been so much easier for me to travel. It's just a lot more stress-free. Awesome, that's all my goodies. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll be pumping out some more travel content for ya. I'm so freaking pumped. See you later.